The truth is, and you already know it, you could be getting way more revenue from your email marketing right now, today. Just while you are watching this video, someone bounces from your abandoned cart flow, someone is unsubscribing, and it's okay. The reason why most of the brands are not getting the desired results from email marketing is simple. They just constantly sending sale emails, and it works to some extent. However, to build long-term profitable channel, which will become eventually number one channel for your business, you need to build a strategy where you will not just send some discounts to your audience, but actually build long-lasting connection, and you will send emails that will actually educate, plus you will have good sexy designs and well-written copy. For over 15 years, we've been working as a top email marketing company with several agencies who outsourced all their email marketing to us. So in fact, they charged their clients and paid us like 3-4 times less. It's a common story, and we've been partner with 5 agencies from North America and Europe, but now we just work directly. And to start with, we want to offer very simple step is we will analyze your current marketing and we will give you a plan and we will explain you how much you can increase your revenue from email within next 90 days. And actually we'll break it down based on step 1, step 2, and step 3. So for example, in first 2 weeks, you will be getting X, in next 2 months, X. To start, sign up for our free email marketing plan. It's free of charge. And let's start something great together. Cheers.